In this video, I will be showing you how to forward domain emails without an email account in Namecheap. So let's get started with the video. Once logged into Namecheap account, we need to click the Dashboard tab, which will take us to this page. The domain name can be found in the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see the domain here, click this domain list to see all your domain in Namecheap account. Next, we will need to click the Manage button, which will get us to this page. And in this page, we will need to click Advanced DNS tab. Next, we need to scroll to this section. Here, we will need to select and enable email forwarding in Namecheap and update the changes made. And next, in the domain page, we need to come down to Redirect Email section. Next, click Add Forwarder option, which will open up this settings. In the first field, we can enter the username of our choice, which will be the email prefix or the email account username. Here, I will type inquiry. This will be my domain email account, inquiry@cosmocarrot.com. And in this field we will need to add the forwarding email account, which will be my website email account. And when we share this domain email account to anyone or anywhere on the online, any email that comes to this email account will be forwarded to my website email account. And done, setting forwarding email account in Namecheap. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful updates.